Hi, it's me again with laser tips and tricks. And the other day, somebody posted this picture, and evidently they were doing multiple plaques, and they had a power shortage or power outage, and they cut the laser off, and they were wondering about how to do it without wasting all this time. They spent quite a bit of time, evidently doing maybe 2 or 3 plaques across the page. So probably the easiest thing to do would go to print and get on your laser and go to preferences, and right here you can, instead of top down engraving, you can do bottom up engraving, which I use all the time. I have that set as default because of the fact that for multiple reasons, but one of the reasons, if you ever made a measurement difference and you didn't run a red dot line to make sure, and it starts printing out here, you haven't wasted any wood or plaque. Because if you start at the top and then it runs off your plaque, you're in trouble. But if you start here, you cannot run off the top. So that's one way to fix it. Another way to fix it would be, and this would be a little bit more difficult, but just in case your printer driver doesn't have bottom-up engraving, all your epilogues were, but let's say it quit right here. We'll make this rectangle a little bit bigger. Well, matter of fact, we need to move this. Let's say your laser quit and it did this part. Well, you could convert your text into a curve. Let's see if I can get this without getting that rectangle. Go up to a range and convert it to a curve. Then you can take your virtual segment delete key and delete all this text. Anything the delete key is going to hit will take it away. And we missed one spot, so get the inner part of that A and the inner part of that A and that letter, and then run that job if you can really have a good starting spot. Now, my suggestion, even if you did the bottom-up engraving, just run it and be watching through your top, and when it gets to that point, open your lid. And if you inadvertently stopped a little soon, you'd have to go redo it. But if you stop a little late and it burns just a hair deeper, then you could run the whole plaque at a faster speed and not much power and really not many dots per inch. So your laser would run faster and do the same thing at like 100 power, but 100 speed, and run it really fast, and it'll all blend in together. Hope that made sense. Hope that helped them. I know somebody's already answered them with bottom-up engraving. I do it for a couple of reasons. One, because you're not putting smoke residue over what you've already burned. It doesn't really make that big a difference, but my main reason is to get that so I know I'm on my object. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.